Sawadika. Okay, today we have come here to the restaurant called Amritsar. It's an Indian restaurant, and they are also our macro good customers. And today actually we will show how we do the tandoor, how we do the grilled chicken, how we do the chicken tikka and the roti in the tandoor. So tandoor is the oven, and that's the magic with how the roti or naan or grilled chicken or barbecue has been done. Okay, so let's go inside and we'll see what is the miracle of this restaurant. Namaste.
Namaste.
कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया
How are
जी,
you
बढ़िया
today?
good. All well, ma'am.
So today we are with the manager of the restaurant, Mr. Dhirendra, and he takes care of Amritsar restaurant in Sukhumvit. So it's great pleasure to be here also. And today we would like to come and see the menu. What is the speciality of Amritsar? Can you please let us
Yes,
know?
ma'am. Thank you very much for coming you. We are very special. We have special like kulchas, tikkas, all kebab,
Tandoor item.
Tandoor item. We are very popular in tandoor item like kulchas, like Amritsari kulcha, like a mutton keema kulcha, chicken keema kulcha with gravy, Amritsari chole with the kulcha like a mixed kulcha, paneer kulcha, aloo kulcha, all kulchas, and like a bread like a garlic bread, cheese garlic naan, and tandoori roti, and chicken tikka masala, mutton rogan josh. We are our special dish.
Actually today we come to see the chef also, and then the tandoor, because tandoor is a speciality of Indian cuisine, as
Right.
you know. So we come here also to see how you do the tandoor, like chicken tikka, and then how you really grill
Yes.
the things in the tandoor. So if with your permission, we can go and see the
Yes,
chef.
sir. Most welcome. Yeah,
inside.
why not, ma'am? Yes, of course, I will see you. My chef also and my tandoor, how to do and how to the make and how the recipe. All I think this is our the oven like a charcoal tandoor.
Charcoal oven.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's go and see the chef and then see the kitchen. Yes. So today we are with Chef Vikram from Amritsar restaurant.
Yes,
Chef.
yeah, hello.
So today he will show us the menu for the chicken tikka and tandoori chicken, how
Yes.
to marinate and how we do in
Yeah.
the grilled tandoor.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you please go ahead?
Yes, garlic paste is ginger's garlic paste.
This ginger garlic paste.
Yes. Used by chicken, marination. This one,
put the chicken pieces, yeah.
5 pieces, 6 pieces in one plate.
Yeah, it depends
Okay.
upon how much you
Yeah.
need.
This one, all spicy masala. This
So we have the
all-
spice here,
yeah.
so you can see
Yeah,
here
so
the masala, and then
yes,
you have the chicken
king.
and then turmeric, and so this is a
Yeah.
spice which
Mutton
is
curry
used for the
masala, so-
chicken tikka.
All this with yogurt is in curd.
Yeah, this is the tandoori masala. It's
Yeah.
tandoori spice mixed with the yogurt,
Yeah.
and this they
This
put
one,
as,
we
as
put-
a marination.
Yes, yes.
And we have to keep for one night or
Yeah,
how many hours?
one night,
Around one night.
night.
Or if you don't have time, maybe 3-4 hours before you cook. So then you just marinate and keep it aside for around one night, because this paste you can see is with yogurt, some spice, and also some of the tandoori masala. So what he's going to do is to show us how he's going to put in the tandoor.
Okay, tandoor,
And
yeah.
tandoor is the oven, which is natural oven, which is made up of
Yes.
how you say the earth, is din, and then you can put the coal inside. So then this is the this is how you say it is the special rod which we use for the tikkas, or you need to use for the barbecues. So this is the rod how chicken tikka is being placed on each of the rod. And now you see how it will go into the tandoor and how you bake it. Okay, so now we have already put the chicken tikka into the rod,
Yes.
and now we will go into tandoor to
Tandoor,
put it
yes,
in.
go.
And how
Chal.
many minutes, chef?
25 minutes. Yeah.
25 minutes
yeah.
we need to make it in the grill. So let's go and see in the tandoor what's happening. Okay, we have another menu with Chef Vikram is the breads. So breads are also very famous, like naan, roti,
Yeah.
kulcha. And I think kulcha is one of the main dish of also very famous for this restaurant of Amritsar, because it's a speciality of Amritsar, and then they have really come up with the kulcha. So chef, we can show first the naan.
Yeah, butter naan.
Butter naan.
Yeah.
And what flour we use
Yeah,
for butter naan
right.
is maida, right?
Yes, yeah,
It's
maida,
white
yeah.
flour. We use like a flour, it's called maida. It's a white flour, all-purpose flour.
Yeah.
So you can show
Yeah.
how we do the naan.
This one is maida. This. This one. Refined.
You put a little bit oil on
Yeah.
it because this one is already made, so
Yeah.
we can put it in the. It's made up of the flour and a little bit oil. This is the specialty of the chef. So there are different types and
Yeah.
the folds which we need to do for the naan. So that's the shape which we get for the naan, is like the triangle shape. You see, it's like it's a triangle shape which is used for the naan. So he will now put it in the tandoor, and you will see how it goes into the tandoor and how what is the method of doing it. Okay, so we got already chicken tikka from
Yes,
tandoor.
yes.
So now you will see how we are going to put and give to the customer, how we are going to serve to the customer. So we take the coal little bit from the tandoor to make it hot, so it looks like really it's a sizzling hot. Oh, that's the salad. So it's like onions,
This
the lemon. This is
Lip,
coriander.
yeah.
Okay. Sometimes we also put chaat masala.
Yes, chaat masala.
There's a spice which is called as chaat masala. We put on it
Let's put this butter
little bit butter
and lamb with this
and
one.
lemon.
This one put tandoor.
Oh, this is a tandoor. So this is specially bring from India also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
See,
then we
see,
put it in the
see.
pot.
Butter.
We put again the butter a little bit so that it's really sizzling hot. This is
Chicken
chicken tikka in the tandoor grill. Okay, so we finished with naan and chicken tikka. Now we have one more to show, chef, is kulcha, because this
Yes.
is the specialty of Amritsar, and I would like Chef Vikram to show onto
Yes.
the kulcha, which will also go to the tandoor.
Yes, put a potato.
This is a potato kulcha. It's
Okay.
like aloo kulcha. So we can see the process how we do it. So normally for the kulcha is the same style of naan. We use the maida, or we can say the all-purpose flour, pengbao, and then you stuff with. We can do with potato. You can do with chicken, like minced chicken,
With
or you can
potato.
do with the tua, is like chickpeas. So today he is showing with the potato.
Yeah.
So you just mash the potato with the boiled potato.
This potato. This onion. A
Then
chop
put a
onion.
bit of onion. Yeah,
Onion.
Okay. Chop onion.
Yeah, green chili.
Green chili.
Yes, yeah. Leaf coriander.
And then coriander.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all use jeera powder.
Then you put some spice.
Whole
There's like cumin powder. And then you have the coriander powder.
Yeah. This
Then you have red chili powder.
kitchen king.
Red chili powder.
Yeah. This salt.
And salt.
This all ajwain ya nardana. Ajwain ya nardana. Ajwain.
Okay.
Yes.
So this one is the flour is already made. So how many grams for one? Kitna grams for one roti or one kulcha?
25 grams.
25 grams,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
then you stuff
Stuff is
in this one
potato. Stuff in.
potato stuffing.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to put it in the tandoor
Yeah.
again. So chef will show how we go into the tandoor. Okay, so this is kulcha, potato kulcha,
Yeah,
and
potato.
you eat with the chickpea curry, and is a chef specialty of Vikram is
Turmeric chutney.
tamarind chutney.
Yeah.
Okay, so this we serve with the kulcha and serve to the customer in this way. Okay, so today we have these 3 menus, and thank you very much, Chef Vikram, for showing us.
Thank you, ma'am.
everything.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so we are already with the menu with the chef, and he showed us how to cook exactly
Right.
in the tandoor. So we have like naan, right?
Yes,
a
this is the garlic naan.
yeah.
Yeah, this is the garlic naan. This is first of all I tell you the chicken tikka. This is like you know
Yeah.
about the tandoor. This
Yeah.
is chicken tikka, like the charcoal
Really
chicken,
sizzling one.
sizzling like
Yeah.
one. This is chicken tikka, and this is our special. Like this is very popular in Amritsar. You Amritsar in the one city in the Punjab, and this is very popular in the kulcha. This is aloo kulcha with chole and chutney. This is a chickpeas curry. This is a turmeric sauce, and this is combination of the lassi. This is a sweet lassi, salted lassi, and we have a mango lassi also. And this is our garlic naan, chicken tikka masala.
So normally
also.
they eat in Punjab because
Yeah, this
this
is only
is a
Punjab.
restaurant
Yeah,
famous in Punjab,
Punjab,
right?
yeah.
Like the state, and Amritsar is the city.
Amritsar is the city. Yes.
So everyone in there has to drink one
Drink
glass
to
of lassi,
lassi,
or you can say yogurt drink every day.
yogurt drink. Yes.
Wow, it's so big.
Yeah, and with the kulcha also.
And this is a breakfast. Normally they eat for breakfast. Like
Yeah.
kulcha is like stuffed
You can
paratha.
say breakfast, but they are people like every time, like
They-
daytime, dinner time,
Yeah.
lunch time, this is popular time.
And then you serve with the
this
chickpea curry,
chickpeas
right?
curry, yeah.
And this is chutney. It's
Turmeric,
like a
turmeric
chutney.
yeah, turmeric chutney.
And you have some onions. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the menu which normally
Normally.
is very famous for this
Yes, in
restaurant.
Amritsar, yeah.
And this is only vegetarian, or you have also
We have
non-vegetarian?
non-veg also, chicken keema kulcha, mutton keema kulcha, and
That stuff.
the stuff inside of we'll give also the chicken keema gravy also.
You give the gravy.
Chicken
of the
keema
chicken.
gravy also,
Okay.
like inside of the chole, the
Okay,
chickpeas
so when
curry.
it's non-vegetarian, then you give the non-vegetarian.
Non-vegetarian, yeah.
Okay. And then this is
This is a garlic
topic-
naan.
naan.
Garlic naan is a good combination of the chicken tikka masala, like same like chicken tikka. When the after then with the mix of
with the gravy.
the gravy, yeah.
So the chicken tikka is the same what we did
Same
here.
chicken tikka.
And then you use that one the same in the gravy.
Gravy, yeah.
So easy for you also for them. And you eat gravy with
The garlic
Garlic
naan,
naan,
butter
and then
naan,
butter naan.
and tandoori roti also.
the tandoori roti, and also with rice, basmati rice.
Yeah, you can eat, yeah,
with
basmati rice also.
yeah. And then chicken tikka is the appetizer, right?
Appetizer, yeah.
Like this is mostly eaten with
With
mint chutney.
the mint sauce, yeah.
Mint sauce, and then some of the. Okay, so that's great. I
Yes.
mean, it's more. And you want to tell more about your restaurant? Like you do the delivery? Or
Yes,
what
we have home delivery
And
also,
where is the
takeaway.
location?
We are located in the Amritsar, located in the Trumkham Holiday Inn, East Song, like I'll speak in English. We are in the opposite side of the Holiday Inn Hotel, like Amritsar restaurant, and Sukhumvit Soy 22.
Sukhumvit Soy 22,
Soy 22,
yeah.
yeah.
Actually, it's very good location because the people they walk in,
Yeah,
and
walk
then
in.
you have also you can see outside that the grill,
Yeah,
the
oh,
open
this
window.
open kitchen, like open window kitchen.
So the people can see how the
cook.
the chef is cooking the grill in the tandoor.
Yes.
So that's great. And then I'm sure many of our customers of the Macro will look into your the video and then see. We learned today about tandoor and about the grill and how you can make the naan, make the kulchas, and also the chicken tikka.
Right. Yes.
So I will say thank you very much,
Thank you very much.
Mr. Dhirendra, for letting us come and see how the chef is doing the things.
Thank you
and
and
showing us things.
Thank you. Most welcome anytime.
Okay.
Thank you.